cellulite with food. Now, cellulite, ladies, I know it can be quite stubborn, and it is possible to get rid of cellulite by eating certain foods. Cellulite is caused by the fat cells as they're pushing against the skin when they expand, and they look uneven because they're pushing against our tissues. So cellulite is very common on our thighs, our bottom, and the backs of our arms. Now, adding some of these foods into your diet can certainly help reduce the appearance of cellulite, which, I know it's a bit unwanted, and, for some people, they get a little bit paranoid about the cellulite. So applying these in conjunction with good exercise, adequate hydration, and dry skin brushing can certainly stimulate the lymphatic system, and that can then bring movement to those cellulite cells. Okay, so some of these foods are really delicious and easy to add to your diet to reduce the appearance of cellulite. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are really rich in vitamin E and B6, zinc, and potassium. Now, all of those are really important for our immune system. These nutrients help repair tissue connections by metabolizing protein in our body. They also can help remove excess water from the body, which is responsible for cellulite, and making cellulite look more visible and prominent. So sunflower seeds are also very salty, and they can make your mouth dry. So make sure that you are adequately hydrated. When you're having dry seeds, it's giving your body a message of dehydration, and we want to make sure that we're adequately hydrated. So combining that with some herbal teas and lots of water can be a very good way to help get rid of cellulite. Herbal teas are one of the easiest way to flush out harmful toxins and reduce those lumpy fat storage in cellulite. So making it a habit to drink lots and lots of water throughout the day, perhaps a green tea or a ginger tea, or even a caffeine substitute with the chicory root coffee is a great way to get rid of those uneven and lumpy fat cells and beneath the tissue. Now, salmon as an oily fish, very high in omega-3 fatty acids. Now, we have a lot of omega-6 fatty acids just naturally in our diet, and we really want to make sure we increase the amount of omega-3 fatty acids and omega-9. So salmon is really beneficial for overall health. It's very good for the immune system as well, but certainly it can help strengthen and repair tissue connections, and that also contains properties that reduce inflammation in the body and curb the appetite. So having something that is fatty and high in protein, like good fats, the omega-3 fatty acids, and protein at each meal is a really good way to make sure you're feeling full for longer. Now, salmon is also very good for helping remove toxins that build up in the bloodstream and in the tissues. Dark coloured berries, think blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. Fantastic, especially in the UK at this time of year. They're really starting to show in abundance, and they're very handy for helping get rid of cellulite. These berries stimulate the production of collagen, and collagen is so fantastic for the gut lining and also fantastic for improving the elasticity in the skin. Fantastic for creating new skin tissue, but also maintaining the color and texture of our skin. So these berries are fantastic. They've got high antioxidant properties that help break down fat, and that fat that is attached to connective tissue, these antioxidant properties can help support that. This allows the skin to push fat cells below the surface so that your skin does not appear lumpy and uneven. Right, hot peppers and chili. They contain vitamin B6, and this helps restore connective tissue, and it's also very good again for flushing out those toxins and reducing fat storage, so regulating the flow of blood circulation. Dark chocolate. I mean, who doesn't love a square or two? Please try and stop at a square or two. I know it's very easy to get over go overboard when you're consuming chocolate, but the best quality chocolate that you can get, and the darkest percentage, so 70% up in the dark chocolate, can be very beneficial for your health. Of course, it's packed with magnesium, and actually eating chocolate first thing in the morning is not only delicious, but it can play a huge role in firming up the metabolism, firing up the digestive fire, and aiding in your weight loss and your fat loss. Of course, dark chocolate has very high antioxidant properties that helps break down fat cells and improves the overall functioning of your cell. Be careful not to overdo it, because too much chocolate can result in headaches and migraines, that sort of thing. So be careful, don't go too crazy. In addition to some of these foods, of course, olive oil is great, saffron, apple cider vinegar. Just consuming a small amount of apple cider vinegar half an hour ahead of a meal is a great way to support that digestive fire. Fresh juices like beetroot juice, leafy green juices are fantastic. Broccoli, one of my favorites. Turmeric, garlic, watermelon, grapefruit, apricots, and tomatoes all are very good foods for incorporating into your diet to reduce cellulite. So thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully this has been useful. If it has, please comment, share it with your friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you later.